What if you could own a piece of the world's greatest companies, Apple, Microsoft, Coca-Cola, and they paid you, in cash, every 90 days, just for being an owner? This isn't a fantasy. This is dividend investing. But here's the real question: how do you go from earning a few dollars to building a true dividend empire? A machine that generates enough passive income to pay your bills and eventually buy your freedom? In this video, I'm giving you the complete 3-step blueprint to building a dividend portfolio from scratch. This is the ultimate guide to passive income. Step number 1, the foundation. Choosing your weapon. You don't start by picking random stocks. That's like trying to build a castle by collecting random stones. You start by choosing a powerful, diversified foundation. For 99% of investors, this means one thing: a dividend ETF. An ETF is an all-in-one package. Inside, you get instant diversification across dozens, sometimes hundreds, of companies. That means lower risk, steady cash flow, and far less stress. If I were starting today, I'd look at proven powerhouses like SCHD, the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, or VYM, the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF. These funds hold some of the most reliable dividend-paying companies in the world. They are your foundational weapons. Step number 2, the system. Automation and reinvestment. An empire isn't built on random actions, it's built on a system that never breaks. In dividend investing, your system has 2 rules: pay yourself first and automate everything. Rule 1, pay yourself first. Every time you get paid, before a single bill is paid, a fixed amount, $100, $500, whatever you can afford, goes into your investment account. This is non-negotiable. This is how you make your future self richer than your present self. Rule 2, automate everything. Set up 2 automations. First, an automatic transfer from your bank to your brokerage account every month. Second, enable DRIP, the Dividend Reinvestment Plan. This uses every dividend payment to buy more shares of your ETF, which then pay you more dividends, which buy you even more shares. This is how you turn a snowball into an avalanche. Step number 3, the Accelerator. Adding growth stocks. Once your ETF foundation is strong and consistent, it's time to add an accelerator, high-quality individual dividend stocks. But we're not looking for hype, we're looking for dividend aristocrats, companies that have increased their dividend payments for at least 25 consecutive years. Think of Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, Coca-Cola. These companies make money in every economy. They're not just stocks, they're cash-generating machines with decades of reliability. You're not just buying shares. You're buying a slice of a global empire that pays you forever. Let's review your blueprint. Step 1, build your foundation with a powerful dividend ETF. Step 2, create an unbreakable system of automatic investing and reinvesting. Step 3, accelerate your growth by adding individual dividend kings. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a get-rich-for-sure system. The most powerful ingredient is not the money, it's time. The empire you enjoy in your 40s, 50s, and beyond is built from the seeds you plant today. So, start planting. Subscribe to Quantum Fortunes for your weekly guide to building your financial empire.